right, so I've already unboxed everything that is included in the packaging of the BOYA headset. As you can see here, this is the microphone itself covered in a noise canceling foam. You are going to take that off right over here just to expose the actual microphone transmitters themselves. As you can see here, I'm opening up the charging case to reveal the two transmitters that are included. Each of these transmitters has a 6-hour battery life included in this 500 milliamp charging case. The charging case for the device is also a handheld microphone itself, which I also have some adapters included as well, which I'll go over throughout the video. Included in the package is a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. As you can see here, I have connected the charging case of the device over on here. And now I'm showing off some B-roll of the microphone itself. These two transmitters are charging while it's in this case here. There's a DRAM mount there. That is an adapter as well, which I will get to very soon. The case itself actually happens to be very well constructed. I'd like to talk about the transmitters themselves as I'm showing them off here. These transmitters each come in weighing at 7 grams. They're very light and they do not weigh down your shirt when you are placing it or clipping it on your shirt. There are two different ways you're able to clip them onto anywhere via the magnets as shown pretty soon, as well as the standard clip system that your regular microphone would have. I'm going to show you some of the features on this, such as the power button. I will turn it on in just a moment. You'll see a blue blinking light. This is the clip feature right over here. There is that blinking light I was speaking about. And now I'm placing it just right back in the charging case to show you how easy it is to snap in and out of that case itself. Boom. What I'm showing here is one of the windproof adapters for the microphone itself. As you can see here, this is just another attachment included in the box. It happens to be very easy to take off and on these attachments, which is great. Additionally, BOYA included a wonderful carrying case for all of these little trinkets. All right, and now I'm going to show you the two separate dongles that are included in the BOYA Magic right over here. As you can see, there's the iPhone and the USB-C charging adapters. Both work seamlessly. As you can see here, I'm going to be plugging it in to my phone right over here. This is an older iPhone model, hence I use the lightning cable. As you can see, the blinking lights means that it is trying to connect. If I turn this one on, once the blinking light on the microphone itself stops blinking, boom, as you can see that it is connected now that the light has stopped blinking on the right for the dongle as well as the microphone itself. And I'm going to try clicking it here once, which right over here will send it to noise canceling mode, giving that green light button. The dongle itself also has some features. As you can see, if I double press, it will mute it, giving that red color. I wanted to show off the dongle being used while recording. As you can see, it is very sleek and slim. There you go. You'll see the noise canceling light right there. All right, and here we are showing the handheld mode of this device. If you want to be talking on a podcast or through a standard traditional microphone setting. As you can see here, we do have it on the standard setting, which is the blue. You might be able to hear some background noise, some static as I am talking, but if I were to press this button once over here, you'll see it change to a green color, which means we are actually in the noise canceling mode. This is blocking out any background noise, whether you're traveling, running, or driving, and you're hearing a lot of background noise and only want to isolate that voice. This microphone is perfect for that. In this portion, I really want to show you how easy it is to swap over from the handheld mode into the clip-on mode. As you can see here, I've taken it out of the charging case and here, and I'm going to be clipping this into my shirt just to show you how simple it really is to get onto that clip feature. As you can see, you can hear my voice loud and clear. Let me just adjust this microphone right over here. You might be able to hear a little bit more background noise as we're not using the cover that was provided. But as you can see here, if I press it once again, we are getting that AI technology of noise canceling, and we're blocking out all of our background noise, such as driving, air conditioning, or whatever may disturb your video while you're recording. All right, so now we are going to try the BOYA microphone when it comes to a clipped mode, as well as in reaction to the fan or wind outside blowing directly into the microphone. So first, I'm going to demonstrate how it sounds when the fan is blowing directly into the microphone. As you can see, there is quite amount of noise coming through, as we are not either in the noise canceling mode. But luckily, BOYA provided us with a wind cover, which I will be placing on over here. And what this wind cover does is block out any noise that is coming from the fan. I'm going to bring the fan directly close towards me. As you can see, the reaction of the fan. And we are not hearing anything. This is also not in the noise canceling mode, as I'll turn that on right now. You'll be able to hear. So this is after we canceled out all of the noise with the AI feature, as well as the fan blowing inside with the wind cover. We are able to speak clearly without any disruption, and I find it great. Just wanted to mention that there are 2 transmitters within the handheld grip, and only one actually needs to be in that first slot there to keep it working. The other one could be used as a clip-on mic or just turned off completely. And as you can see here, this blue blinking light means that this transmitter is pairing in a handheld mode. That's good. While I don't have a camera to really test it out on, the included detachment clip is also really great for gaming if I want to connect it to my computer per se, right over here. I'm going to be connected, oh, there I am, I'm connected to my computer. And as you can see, I'm connected to my computer now. Place on green light. Oh. Speaking of gaming, we have a desktop mode for the microphone itself, which we are able to screw on to this dock here. It is a screw-on swivel portion right over here, as you can see. There we are. Easily clips up, clips off, and we are able to use that for storage. Here you have me placing it back on to the microphone itself, and we are setting it up for some desktop gaming and Discord calling while I am using this microphone. All right, so I currently am using the microphone on my MacBook Pro. As you can tell, the audio is not great. It sounds very choppy. This is not ideal for Zoom calls. However, if I were to switch over my input towards the BOYA, as you can see here, I've plugged the dongle into my MacBook, and I'm going to switch over the input to the BOYA here. You can see here that the microphone is much crisper and sounds perfect. I just want to show off some features in the app that is able to be downloaded from the Play Store or the App Store. As you can see here, I have the BOYA Magic, and I'm speaking into it here. You can change the noise canceling level to weak or strong if you'd like. There's also many other options, such as recording modes if you want to record in mono or stereo. There's a safety track option on and off, straight up a mute button, as well as an equalizer if you want to change like some features on how your audio is sounding. Overall, after using this microphone for the last couple of days, gaming, editing videos, or just overall fun use, such as a podcast that I was recording with a friend, I'd strongly recommend how versatile it is in the different formats we're able to use it. With the addition of the noise canceling and very lightweight feature, I honestly can't recommend this microphone enough. Thank you very much.